If you're having trouble finding Facebook groups to join and post in and aren't sure if they moderate posts, in this video, I'll show you a tool that helps you filter those groups. As you can see on my screen here, right, this is a large dashboard. It contains all the information I've just used, similar to an activity log. It displays everything here, and this section here is the part that helps. For example, if you have 100 accounts, you can completely add them, and there's also proxy management. In this section, there are other cool features. For example, the feature to convert from links, UID, for instance, convert in large quantities. This scanning feature, or another cool feature, is the ability to scan interactions of competitors' posts. You just need to put it in there, and this part will automatically scan for people who liked, shared, or commented on that post. So to find groups that don't moderate posts, it's very simple. You go to this group scanning feature section and then go to the scan group information, scan group ID section. And here you just enter the keyword. For example, here I will enter the keyword real estate. I will copy the keyword part here. Here you can enter multiple keywords for me. Then you choose here. I will have some more options. For example, you can search for how many groups with that keyword. For example, here I will set it to 30, for instance. And here I will add another option, which is to only scan groups that have over 10,000 members. That's it. And furthermore, only scan groups that are public and do not moderate posts. After that, I start. As you can see, the process is right here. It is scanning these groups and it will show everything for me here. The group status, what type of group, members, and furthermore, whether it's moderated or unmoderated, and where the Facebook link is. Here, I am setting the limit to 30 groups, so after scanning 30 groups, it will stop. However, you can set more if you want, for example, 100 groups or 1000 groups, it's all okay. So after a while, it will scan all those groups for you. Here, my part is to export to an Excel file like this. Yeah, as you can see on the screen, there are a great many groups for you. So next I will join these groups, or I can post directly into these groups, because as you know, they are unmoderated. So once you post, it's almost immediately approved. That of course also depends on the quality of your accounts. I'll copy these groups, right? After that, I will go to another section of ours. This section is for automated posting. Here you can join groups by UID, for example. I'll copy all these UIDs, select all these accounts and start. Then all these accounts will join the groups, and all the groups I just added as well. You can also add some other options, for example, removing the group after success or not joining duplicates, things like that. So after that, do you want to post? It's very simple. You go to this post function section, then group post. Next, select the content section first. For example, posting about real estate or images or whatever else is relevant to you. After that, you change this part. For example, this part posts according to this group ID. There. Just throw the group ID in. Then you adjust some more parameters. For example, how many groups each account posts to and how many posts in each of those groups. There, that's it. Or you can post anonymously or use automatic join group if you haven't joined yet. See, it automatically joins the group for you. Yeah, just hit start and you're good to go. And after it finishes posting, there will be a posting history for you to easily manage.